sir. So can you quickly take us, about your quick takeaways of this roundtable, and what are your observations about it? Or in case if you want to make some recommendations to the policymakers, what would be your key takeaways from this roundtable?
See, as Samir had mentioned, there are 18 crores farmers. Less than 0.001% would be linked to a formal market system. Currently, the biggest problem farmers have is related to the marketing their output, and that is where the challenge lies. In the absence of any formal mechanism on that, the farmer gets taken for a ride. And that is why institutional forums like this go a long way in creating deliberations and action plan, which can help put the policy makers and things in perspective, and guide them on what kind of specific initiatives should be taken so that we can bring more and more farmers into a formal linkage system. Now, my key suggestion on this would be the capacity building at the FPO level, individual FPO level, as well as the farmer is the one critical aspect. And the government has the financial muscle and the wherewithal to take this message across to the farmers. As of now, institutions like NCDEX are doing their own job, but it is so difficult to reach out to all these farmers who are illiterate, who are close-minded. It's very difficult to convince them on that till the time it comes through a formal forum of the government machinery, and that is what would be required. Second thing is, more than that we will need to ensure that all the farmers start looking at FPO as a key mechanism for making themselves prosperous, as well as improving their own fate. And as aggregates only, these farmers can able to command certain price as well as respect. Otherwise, they will always get taken for a ride from the middleman. That is what we need to avoid. So I'm very keen that this kind of forums put across their deliberation and give concrete action plan to the government for taking a concrete policy action. Thanks.
Thank you so much. Thanks.